Welcome back to my channel, friends. We are discussing about the Karakatvas or causative effects of planets. Today, we'll discuss about Venus. It's a very important planet in our chart. Let's learn what Venus actually indicates in your chart. If you don't understand these things, you cannot predict at all. First, time and again I have already explained, okay, in my previous videos. If you are a male, then Venus is your wife. Always gender of Venus is female, not male. I know we all know that the concept of Daitya Guru is there, the guru of demons, the teacher or the guide of demons. But in this case, in Nadi Astrology, we always see Venus as a female planet. It's a female planet indicator. Next, very important, luxury. How much luxury you will have in your life. Your house, how many houses you can, build. How many cars will you have? Your money flow, your finance. These things are indicated by Venus. Next, secret minister. Venus also represents secret minister, sometime foreign minister also. The color of Venus is peacock, peacock color. Female planet I have already discussed. Elder sister. If you are a female, then Venus will show your elder sister. We can predict about your elder sister from the position of Venus if you are female. Venus indicates fruits, not crops. Okay, crops are actually indicated by Mercury. Venus denotes fruits generally. Elder daughter, wealth house I have already discussed. Cars, of course, how many cars will you have? Whether that car be a two-wheeler or four-wheeler, that is also depends on Venus. Elder daughter-in-law, Lakshmi. Venus is the indicator of Mata Lakshmi. Medicines, very important. I have already discussed this again, this point. Life saving medicines, medicine shops indicated by or denoted by Venus. You can ask me why. You know, Daitya Guru or the Guru of Demons, Shukracharya, has got this, Sanjivani mantra from, that is Mrita Sanjivani mantra, the mantra which can give life back to a person. He got it from Lord Shiva. That is the concept. So it's the concept of medicine. Life saving medicines are denoted by Venus. In my upcoming videos, I'll discuss why Venus and Mercury together are considered as, this connection is called as Raj Yoga. It's a very good yoga. I'll discuss this. I haven't started the conjunctions videos except with Jupiter. I have, of course, made that video earlier. Jupiter combinations with other planets. I'll definitely continue on that. So I need some time. I'm doing many research at the same time. And I'll come up with those videos also. So that's it for today, friends. If you like my videos, please put a like, subscribe to my channel. Take care. See you in the next video. Bye.